On this trip, I really wanted to shoot the people of Brighton rather than Brighton itself, as for me they contribute so much to the feel and culture of this iconic seaside town. The photographs were shot over the last week in August, including a mod revival that happens every bank holiday here. And at the end of the video, I'll take a look at my 3 favourite images from the trip.
Do you want like ice cream?
Hold on to your hats, I think. Quite literally, look. Why, do you want to sit down already? Yeah. Huh?
Yeah, just for a minute.
It's fine. I'm sorted. So can you just put this somewhere?
One in my side pocket.
Oh, I'm going to have this on the beach then.
Black coffee, is it?
Ah, cold black coffee. What can one ask for? Our life. Thanks. Oh, minor figures, this is disgusting. Yuck. Horrible stuff.
This is one of those occasions where my love of coffee got me into trouble. I don't normally take free samples from vendors on streets, and I certainly don't consume them while I'm working, but it was coffee and I couldn't help myself, and I drank half a can of this stuff, and within 30 minutes I had to stop shooting. I was doubled up, chronic stomach pain, and eventually had to take the rest of the day off. Fortunately, a few hours later, and by the end of the afternoon, early evening, I was able to start shooting again.
On the right, on the other side of the road.
No depth of field.
What's easy up to?
250th a second. I'm trying to nail it in terms of that's fantastic. Right, ladies. Okay, let's have a look. Okay.
Behind one.
Squeeze together, squeeze together. Right, there we go. Let's have a look. Oh, we come a little bit closer to that, ladies. Let's have a look. Fantastic. Lovely. Can we just smile then, are we? There you go. That's lovely. You can take your glasses off now. Fabulous. Got seagulls in the background. There you go, ladies. No problem.
We all see older people wearing masks these days. It's a common sight around all of our towns and cities, but older people wearing masks in Brighton takes on a completely theatrical feel. I actually saw this photograph probably about 2 or 3 minutes earlier, but I was too far away from them to get the picture, and I didn't really want to go charging over camera in hand to try and get the image. So what I did is I actually circled back on myself. I made a loop around the Dodgem ride, hoping they would still be there when I got round to the side where they were originally. Fortunately they were. I was in the right position to take the photograph as I walked past them, and it was all good. In the video, you can see me chatting to Sarah about zone focusing, and with lower light, this was evening time, and with a longer lens, in this case a 35mm, I was having to work hard at nailing the focus based on distance. And this photograph, it just all came together and it just worked. And in the video you see me getting very excited about the image, but it wasn't so much the image at that stage, because you can't really see it very well on the back of a Leica M9. It was the fact that it appeared that I'd nailed the focus. For me, the image works because of the layers. We have the girl in the foreground on her phone with a lovely expression, lovely lighting on her face, leading to the woman behind her with her expression, and then through to everybody eating ice cream in the background and the kid drinking. Looking at this photograph, we can see a young boy dressed in Gucci clothes on a trip to the seaside, and yet he looks fed up and seems somehow to be stuck in his pushchair. His parents are glued to their phones, and there doesn't seem to be any connection between the three of them apart from the position of the man's hand. Of course, I don't know the story leading up to this image, and I could be completely wide of the mark in interpreting the scene, but it is kind of interesting to see this idea of a child on his day out to the seaside and his parents being more interested in their phones. And unfortunately, it is a scene which I see quite a lot on the street, especially during the summertime.